Watch me generate standard copies and headlines using AI. Okay, we'll be using the free tool, the ChatGPT AI free tool that you can have access to anywhere you are. All right, now let's get into the video as I show you how you can do that. When you learn this, you'll never ever run out of content to use and run your advert ever again. Now head over to chatgpt.com, and then when you are in, make sure you log in. If you don't have an account with them, you create an account, and then you simply come here, all right, and type in your prompt. Now this is the prompt I'll be using. I sell a solar generator. Help me with good copy and headline ideas for my Facebook advert. All right, so that is what I'm giving it as a prompt. Now it will send in different copies and headlines for this. All right. Okay. So you can see power up anywhere, anytime with our 100-watt solar generator. Harness the sun, your portable power solution awaits. Stay powered off grid with our 100-watt solar generator. Never run out of power again. Go solar today. Now, one thing I love about this is that you don't necessarily have to use exactly what they give you. You can use it as a reference to give you more ideas on what you put in your advert. All right. So you use this as something that will help you think well without having to overcrack your brain. You just get more ideas. Now, one thing I love about the whole thing is that you can just from the copy. Now let me read the copy and find the headline inside this copy. Now let's see. Ready for your next adventure? Our 100-watt solar generator keeps you powered no matter where you are. Whether you are camping, traveling, this can be the beginning of your copy. Whether you are camping, traveling, or facing an unexpected outage, stay connected and charged with clean, reliable solar energy. Full stop. This can be your copy. Whether you are camping, traveling, or this can be your copy. This is something that you don't need to copy exactly the same thing and paste. You just have to use your own brain and think, would this thing make sense? Does it make sense? Do you understand? Because AI is not perfect. But one thing I love about AI is that they give you a lot of ideas and you never run out of ideas and content. Okay. Now you can say another one. Say goodbye to noisy gas guzzling generators. This can be a good headline. This can be a good headline. All right. Our 100-watt solar generator is compact, lightweight, and powerful enough to keep your devices. This can be your headline, and then this can be the body. Understand? Perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, emergency papers, and the likes. Now, if you need more ideas, you can simply click on more. You can simply type more, and it will drop in more headline ideas and more copy ideas. So this is how you can generate content for your advert without having to crack your brain. In the past, if you want to generate such content, you have to. If you want to get such content, you have to, learn from others, study others, and get swipe files of high performing headlines and copies and then swipe it into what you want your own to do. But now you can simply get ideas using AI. Is that not beautiful? Man, what a time to be alive. All right, so that's that about this video. Now, if you found this helpful, consider giving this video a like, a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Bernard Okoye, also known as Big Ben. And if you're someone who is into e-commerce, just make sure you subscribe to the channel. All right. So with that said, I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.